Welcome back to Consumer Heaven, your go-to spot for discovering the smartest Amazon kitchen gadgets that save you time, boost convenience, and make everyday cooking way more fun. If you've ever felt like cooking takes too much effort, these gadgets are going to completely change the way you use your kitchen. I've handpicked the best tools that not only make cooking faster, but also add a touch of style to your space. And don't worry, every product I mentioned today has a link in the description, so you can check them out easily. So let's dive into today's roundup of the best Amazon kitchen finds your home absolutely needs in 2025. Number 1. Electric griddle with warming tray. If you love hosting family breakfasts or weekend brunches, this electric griddle is going to be your new best friend. It features a large non-stick cooking surface, perfect for making pancakes, eggs, bacon, grilled cheese sandwiches, or even veggies all in one go. No more cooking in small batches and waiting, this griddle can handle big portions at once. What makes it special is the built-in warming tray underneath. As you finish one batch, you can slide the food down to keep it hot while you continue cooking. That means everyone gets to enjoy their food warm at the same time. No more cold pancakes. It also comes with adjustable temperature control, letting you set the perfect heat for whatever you're cooking. The fast heat-up technology saves precious time on busy mornings, while the cool touch handles make it safe to carry around even when hot. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the non-stick surface and removable drip tray. Perfect for family gatherings, brunch parties, or just making weekday mornings stress-free. Number 2. Okma stand mixer. Next up, let's talk baking. The Okma stand mixer is a real powerhouse in the kitchen. Whether you're kneading pizza dough, whipping up cream for desserts, or mixing a big cake batter, this mixer does it all with ease. It comes with 3 essential attachments: a dough hook for breads and pizzas, a wire whip for creams and meringues, and a beater for cake and cookie batters. The tilt head design makes it super convenient to add ingredients mid-mix, while the multiple speed settings let you go from slow stirring to high-speed whipping in seconds. With its large capacity stainless steel bowl, you can prepare big batches without stopping. It's built for both beginners and seasoned bakers, delivering consistent, professional quality results every time. And let's be honest, its sleek design looks amazing on any countertop. Perfect for baking lovers, meal preppers, or anyone who wants to cut down on manual mixing effort. Number 3. Ninja Creamy Ice Cream Maker. This one's pure fun. The Ninja Creamy is a compact yet powerful ice cream maker that lets you whip up ice cream, gelato, sorbet, milkshakes, and even smoothie bowls at home. Here's how it works. Simply prepare your mixture, freeze it overnight, and then let the machine work its magic the next day. Within minutes, you get creamy, delicious desserts with a texture that rivals store-bought ice cream. The best part? You're in full control of the ingredients. Want a low-sugar ice cream? No problem. Craving a dairy-free sorbet? Easy. You can even add mix-ins like chocolate chips, fruit chunks, or cookie bits for that custom touch. It's a healthier, fun, and cost-effective way to enjoy frozen desserts, especially for kids and families who want variety without all the additives of store-bought treats. Perfect for dessert lovers, health-conscious eaters, and families who want endless frozen fun at home. Number 4. Electric pepper and salt grinder set. Seasoning your food just got way cooler. This electric grinder set takes the effort out of grinding spices. Instead of twisting manually, you just tilt the grinder and it starts working automatically. With adjustable coarseness settings, you can go from fine seasoning for soups to coarse grinds for steaks in seconds. The built-in LED light ensures you see exactly how much you're adding, even in low-light dinners or romantic setups. They're also super easy to refill, look sleek on any kitchen counter, and bring both style and function to your table. Perfect for spice lovers, home chefs, or anyone who wants to add a modern touch to their dining table.
Number 5. Stainless steel electric kettle with temperature control. Tea and coffee lovers, this one's for you. This electric kettle is not your ordinary kettle. With 7 precise temperature settings, it's designed to bring out the best flavor in your drink. Green tea, black tea, pour-over coffee, each requires a different temperature, and this kettle nails it every time. The double-wall stainless steel build keeps water hot while the exterior stays cool to the touch. It also features auto shutoff and boil dry protection, making it super safe to use. Plus, it can keep water warm for up to 4 hours, which means no constant reheating. With its fast boil system, you'll have hot water ready in minutes, perfect for busy mornings or cozy evenings. Perfect for tea connoisseurs, coffee drinkers, or anyone who values precision and safety in their kitchen.
Number 6. Matcha Whisk Set. Last but not least, for the tea lovers and aesthetic souls out there, the Japanese-style matcha whisk set. This set includes everything you need for authentic matcha preparation: a bamboo whisk, chasen, ceramic holder, bamboo scoop, sifter, and spoon. The bamboo whisk is designed to create that smooth, frothy layer on top of your matcha, eliminating clumps and giving you a cafe-style experience right at home. The ceramic holder keeps the whisk's shape intact, ensuring it lasts longer. Whether you're into the wellness benefits of matcha or simply love the ritual of preparing tea, this set makes it an experience. It's also a thoughtful gift for tea enthusiasts. Perfect for authentic tea experiences, wellness-focused drinkers, or gifting something unique. And that wraps up the first part of our best Amazon kitchen finds.